Tell them what we're doing.
You want me to tell you what we're doing? You're the boss here.
Am I?
I said put steel floor pans in. He said, nah, I want to do fiberglass.
Don't you lie to me. You told me the fiberglass was an option.
You didn't say it was a good option. We are going to mix up some fiberglass and patch the holes in the floor of the Corvette so we do not, at the moment, have to go back and change out entire floorboards. That may be an option at a later date, but as of right now, we read a couple places that patched it with fiberglass. Originally, the earlier Corvettes had fiberglass floor pans anyways. So we're just going to give this a shot and see how it turns out. If it don't turn out right, we'll change out. We'll just cut out the floor pans and put them in, put some new ones in later. Bye-bye.
How about you say, let's get started?
Because that's so dumb.
Okay, so far we've gotten the fiberglass laid. Now all there is left to do is wait and let it dry. So. sharp. So just a quick tip, we actually used a fabric dye spray on the doors. It saved us a ton of time. So it was actually a duplicolor vinyl fabric specialty coating. It's a flexible finish, and it worked really well. So if you ever need to change out some subtle carpets and you don't feel confident in pulling them off to get new ones on, try this. You will be surprised. So we just got through installing pretty much everything. Well, we were going to reveal this earlier, but then forgot and accidentally put the seats in before we did the reveal. But these seats were actually reupholstered the original seats. So what we did was we actually took it down to Mr. Ronnie Ford downtown Bennettsville, and he did this a really good job for us. We were really impressed with the results. So shout out to him. And yeah, So now we're gonna go ahead and wash it off and see about buttoning up some of the rest of the stuff. But so we just finished up the interior on the Corvette. Looks pretty good. Carpets fit like they should. Real pleased with the seats, particularly. We had Ronnie Ford downtown do those, and did a great job. No complaints there. Seats feel a lot firmer too. It's hard to explain. They were not good before. He rebuilt the bases of them with new foam, and then also helps reinforce the springs. So 100% better. Wrapped up the interior, used a little bit of that carbon fiber trim to help kind of, what's the word?
Replace the old chrome trim.
Replace some of the old chrome trim with some of the some newer style carbon fiber trim. May do that a few more places, may not entirely sure yet. Still up for debate. If you want to see that, maybe comment it below. But anyways, anything else?
No. Well, I always say no, but then I go on. I think you got it.
Did I get it all?
I think you got it all.
For once, I got it all. But as always, we will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!